How to set a TikTok video as your live wallpaper. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimul from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you or guide you as to how you can go ahead and then choose a specific TikTok video and then set them as your wallpaper. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first things first, just make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by launching your respective app store. In the search box, typing in TikTok and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the TikTok app, just open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now keep in mind that you cannot go ahead and then choose any video for your TikTok wallpaper, because there are some type of duration limits, and as long as you are fit in within that duration, that specific video can be set as a wallpaper. Or if it's just too long, then that video cannot be set as a wallpaper unless you go ahead and then decide to crop them. Now in order to search for wallpapers, you can always use a search box, just the way you search for accounts or anything. Use a search box and I'll just search for the keyword called lock screen. Once I search for the keyword called lock screen over here, just go ahead and select any of the wallpaper that you want to use for your home screen as well, and then just tap on that specific wallpaper. Once you do so, you just have to tap on the arrow icon which is at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, right over here, you have to scroll down all the way and you'll find this little play icon that says set as wallpaper. So as you can see, it's barely visible at the bottom. Just tap on the specific button, and once you do so, it is going to first of all download it, and now you can just tap on the set as wallpaper button. Once you tap on the set as wallpaper button, it may take some time to fetch this video to your phone and then set it as a wallpaper. So just tap on the set wallpaper again, choose home screen or home screen and lock screen. I'm just going to show you guys, so I'll just choose the home screen option, and once I do so, after a couple of seconds, let's say, the video is going to be successfully set as my wallpaper on my phone. And that's all it takes to set a TikTok video as your wallpaper. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.